was saving that video in case anything happened. I want to make sure it got saved because I got some good footage. We are at September 13, 2019, Pleasanton, Texas. Full moon. What else? I said Friday the 13th, I'm sure. Harvest moon, we won't see this again. Full moon on Friday the 13th for 20 years. And now I'm amped up, man. This is fucking good stuff tonight. There we go. 43 seconds, 42 seconds. Not sure on that one. Being honest, I would tell you if I thought that was a bird, but I just don't know on that one. And almost everything's flying from right to left, though. Yep, there we go. There went something at 127. Right to left. And it was right about there, centered on that the C between the two other C's. Okay, that's about where I saw it. So just for reviewing purposes, I need to start speaking more about where they're at because, man, some of them I've caught. Like I've seen them, and then it's hard to find them. But these are pretty clear cut, man. I'm tracking them for like, I mean, I'm wide angle, so I can't zoom in. It's just too quick. But man, if I get something hovering over the moon or something, I'll zoom in on that. Let that shit happen, dude. Make some slight adjustments. I am on a higher speed than I would normally be in order to track anything. It's just if I go to the speed down from this one, which is speed 5, it's just going to lag. It's basically, it's like a couple seconds behind or something, I don't know. I'm not sure if I just saw something, but 340 mark. I don't think so. I don't know. There went something. There we go. 354. Over by the 9. Look towards the 9. You know what I'm talking about. Look towards the 9. Stay right there, buddy. Yep, there we go, top. Real quick, 445-ish. Top of the moon, right to left. There we go, another one right there, 453. In the middle, towards crossing the Apennines from right to left. probably birds. I mean, if it's like two in a row like that, but I can't say that for sure. I mean, you know, jets follow each other. UFOs may follow each other. We just don't know. There went something right there, 5:15, right to left. Kind of middle of the moon. That one was kind of hard to see because I've got my phone and screen is cracked, and there's blue line. There's multicolored lines. My screen's going out. So. Yeah, there went something on the south side, just a little bit above the Tycho crater, it looks like. I hope I'm not making this shit up. There went something else right there, left to right. Arcturus crater, I think. Man, I hope I'm not just seeing this shit. 15%. Fuck. Alright, I'm gonna have to